Morning. I had a request for someone wanted me to show how to thread a industrial machine. So I thought I'd show you with it all done up. So you need to go through and then up through here, down. There's a few different ways to do this, but this is the way that I've found works best for me tension wise. So through, around, down, through that hole, down, 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 and then you can go 1, 2, 3, or I go 1, 2, and then round here. This is the tension dial, up over this loop and back under there, through that loop, through there, top, here, this one, through there, and always do from this side, thread your industrial needles this side through to the inside, and then under, and bobbin is under there. That's how you get it in and out. I'll put it over here. So that's just the same as a domestic machine. So it's just clockwise in, round, and it's good. Tension's good. Okay, and so when you want to fill those up, you've got to come over here, and I do mine while I'm sewing. I always have one going up, and goes through there and back round the back, and then you go, oh sorry, I'm going off with the video, under, and we need a bobbin, just showing you, underneath and around, wrap it and push that, and when you're sewing it will fill up automatically. And pretty much that is everything. That's stitch length, and I'll show you under here. This is oil. Oh, mine's a wee bit low actually. Yeah, you gotta get a special type of oil. I need to get some more. Yeah, and here's the wick that picks it up. Yeah, it's a bit of clean. So there you go. That is industrial sewing machine.